In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files on Hubspot. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to Hubspot, these instructions are designed to help you navigate through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. You'll find it very user-friendly with clear navigation options. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will bring you to the login page where you'll see multiple options to sign in. If you're like most people who use multiple Google services, clicking on Sign In with Google is a convenient choice. Simply select your Google account from the list or log in with your credentials and you'll be seamlessly redirected to your HubSpot dashboard. Now, with the dashboard in front of us, our next step is to go to the CRM section. Clicking on this will give you access to all of your contacts, companies, deals, and all things related to customer management. Once you're in the CRM, look for and select Lists from the menu. Lists are a fantastic feature in HubSpot that allow you to segment your data effectively, so finding the right one is important. Next up, locate and click on Import. This option is generally easy to find, and it's your gateway to bringing new data into your HubSpot account. After selecting Import, look for the Import Data button and click on it. You'll see an interface that guides you through the importing process. Now, it's time to officially begin the import. Click on Start Import, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of data you wish to bring into HubSpot. Whether it's contacts, deals, or another type of data, select the one that fits your needs. Once selected, press Next to move to the forthcoming steps. At this point, you'll want to have your CSV file ready. Browse your computer to find the appropriate CSV file and upload it. CSV files are an excellent format for imports as they maintain the integrity of your data without introducing compatibility issues. Keep your data organized in the file prior to upload for a smoother experience. The subsequent step involves mapping fields. This is where you match the columns in your CSV file to the fields in HubSpot. Take your time to go through this part carefully to ensure that the data aligns correctly, preventing any chaos in your records later on. Finally, it's time to initiate the import. Click on Start to Import Data to HubSpot and let the platform work its magic. Depending on your file size, the import may take a few moments, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully imported files into HubSpot. With these steps, managing and organizing your data in HubSpot becomes a task that is not only manageable, but also efficient. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.